In today's video, I'm going to unbox and use this Dynatrap outdoor bug trap. I bought this in March of 2026 for $60 Canadian plus tax at Costco. It was normally $80. Contents of the box are the light itself, AC adapter, 3 legs, and a little instruction manual. The legs just slide into place. I have a wasp problem, so I'm hoping to trap some wasps with this. And we see here a little arrow with a lock, unlock. So to unlock, we can see our little catch bin there. The unit can be charged using the solar panel on top or the AC outlet, and apparently it takes about 6.5 hours to charge fully. We plug that in. Sure enough, we see there that it is charging. Once it charges, it will operate for about 9 hours. 6.5 hours seems to be very accurate as far as the charging time. I kind of kept a rough observation on it. We noticed the green light came on. It was fully charged. There are 3 different settings here for bug trapping. I'm going to set it for standard trapping to start. So first I'm going to power it right off. You just go through this, keep hitting this button until everything turns off. From the off position, press the function power button 1 time. Once we hear the fan come on and that center light is on, is what we should see for the standard trapping. So I'm going to leave this out on my deck. This unit has been running almost 11 hours off of 1 charge, which is pretty impressive. If you can see there by my finger, that fan is still turning. It says on the box, traps and kills. So I'm wondering, why do I see bugs flying around in the trap? But it said no zapping. So I assumed it would kill the bugs in some other means. Anyway, I'm going to release them. You see that? So we do have some fatalities in there, obviously, but I don't think I'm going to be using this. I'll just use it as a light. I left this lantern sitting here all day in the sun, expecting it to recharge through the solar panel on top, and absolutely no life in this thing. I'll recharge it using AC power. But between the lack of actually killing bugs and it seems like the solar panel didn't work, I'm not particularly impressed.